Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicory coffee at home. This unique beverage, crafted from the roasted root of the chicory plant, offers a delightful, caffeine-free alternative to traditional coffee. It boasts a rich, earthy flavor with subtle nutty notes and is often less acidic. Whether you seek to reduce your caffeine consumption or simply enjoy a new taste, chicory coffee is a wonderful choice. To start, you'll need fresh chicory roots. Wash them meticulously to remove any soil, then chop them into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures they roast evenly. Next, spread the pieces on a baking pan and roast them in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 45 minutes. They should turn a beautiful golden brown and smell coffee-like. Once cooled, grind them to your desired fineness, similar to how you'd grind coffee beans. Now for brewing, you can enjoy chicory on its own or blend it with your favorite coffee. A good starting point is a 3-to-1 ratio of coffee to chicory. You can use various brewing methods, such as a French press, drip coffee maker, or pour-over. For a French press, add your grounds, pour hot water just below boiling, stir, and steep for about 3.5 to 5 minutes before pressing. Experiment with ratios to find your perfect cup. Your homemade chicory coffee is ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, or let it cool for a delightful cold brew. To customize, add a splash of milk or cream and sweeten with honey or sugar to taste. For an extra layer of flavor, a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg works beautifully. This unique beverage is particularly delicious when paired with a sweet treat, like a warm pastry. Savor the rich, comforting experience of your freshly brewed chicory coffee.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.